In the journey of life, we come across countless crossroads where decisions need to be made. Mastering the art of decision-making can truly be a life-changing skill. One effective strategy is the classic method of weighing the pros and cons. By listing out the advantages and disadvantages of each option, you gain clarity and a better understanding of the potential outcomes. This approach helps in making informed decisions by considering different perspectives and evaluating the impact of each choice. It also allows you to prioritize your goals based on what holds the most importance. Anticipating potential obstacles becomes easier when you have a clear view of the pros and cons, enabling you to prepare for challenges in advance. Additionally, this method helps in minimizing risks as you are able to assess the drawbacks and potential pitfalls associated with each decision. Embracing the art of weighing pros and cons enhances productivity by streamlining the decision-making process and avoiding impulsive choices. Whether it's a personal matter, a career decision, or a financial dilemma, taking the time to weigh the pros and cons can lead to more favorable outcomes and a greater sense of control over your life. So, next time you find yourself at a crossroads, remember the power of this simple yet impactful technique to navigate your path with confidence and clarity.